In this demo, we're using EPScan to analyze a PCB design with DDR nets. We need the ODB++ or IPC2581 board files. We will start a new project and import the board file. Once the board file is imported, we can confirm the substrate stackup information. To find and simulate the DDR nets, we will first use the filter search. We will search for the data lines and select them. With the nets selected, we will assign them to a test plan. In the test plan, we can configure the impedance specification for the nets. 50 ohm is the target impedance for this demo. All that is left to do is to run the test plan. The impedance result shows that the nets all pass the 50 ohm specification. Available results include insertion loss, return loss, eye diagrams, and design warnings. The eye diagram gives you an intuitive way to check the signal integrity of the net. Design warnings tell you the location of the via stubs and return path discontinuities. Finally, we can generate a report to capture the simulation results.